Hello everybody. Before we start, Happy New Year to everybody, and let's do salute e chin chin to everybody. New Year, I hope everything will be good. Salute e chin chin. A salute. Okay, now today we make crab meat, what do you call this?
Cakes.
Crab meat cake. Crab meat. Okay. We got all the ingredients over here. We got egg, salt, parsley, mayonnaise, crab meat, black pepper. It's the
Panko bread.
panko bread. And we got special sauce. This is the Winchester Shushan sauce. Sauce. It's the sauce. Okay, now, first start, let's start and I put everything on this bowl. And we start with the one egg.
Bill just bought it. Good.
Okay, we got one egg. I got lemon. And we put 2 teaspoons lemon. Little salt. And we can start the kind of one of the egg cook with the lemon. And I want to scramble. Okay. We put a little parsley. Now we got the mayonnaise. Okay.
Ah, Leslie, she have the same thing. Thank you, Margie, for the stars.
Boom. 1, 2, and 3. That's enough. And we mix really good with this.
Thank you, Carol, for the stars.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for your support and for the star. E salute e chin chin.
Thank you, Tom, for the
Salute.
stars.
Thank you so much. Now, we put the Winchester Shushan. We shake a little bit. It's enough. Little black pepper. Okay, this out and this out, and we did it.
Thank you, Rick, for the stars.
La mamma da fatta. Okay.
Thank you, Bill, for the stars.
Hello, hello. Okay, now it's the crab meat.
Ah, we have to try that.
Okay, this is the I use the crab meat. Now we break everything.
That sounds good. Crab cake, egg benedict, wow.
Zingra divina con c'è. Everybody have a nice frosty year today for New Year. I think everybody was to stay home. Okay, now we use ma ti dico tutte cose Ginina tutte fraule giardina il zucchero e cannella per basta sta bocca bella bisogna zingara per divinare con c'è What do you think? Look good, right? Look good.
The recipe book, I don't know, we will have to work on it, maybe.
Okay. Okay, now
Billy says it's very cold.
I want to wash my hand. I gotta work with my hand.
Yeah, we did, he did all fish.
Mamma che io faccio meglio te.
Why not pick up one dish? So maybe when you do, you put on a dish.
You want to put on a dish?
Yeah,
Over
maybe.
here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's try. I hope they stick together now, this.
Today it was not bad at all. It was just raining a little in the morning, but then it was nice.
Okay. We do big like this, it's good enough. You know why? I want to put a little bit more breadcrumb. Marie, hey Marie.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm trying my best. How many cups of breadcrumbs Bill is asking?
Well, I don't think it's a fuck up. Se I put a fuck up, it come a bread. Hey, but we gotta do on the stove. Come on.
You say you coming or what happened?
Yeah, I gotta do on the stove. Okay. Let me wash my hand. I gotta put the gas on.
No, we didn't put Old Bay, no.
Okay, let's warm up the oil a little bit.
We never put, so I don't know. Maybe it tastes better,
The what?
the Old Bay, but we never use this spice.
Okay, now we lower the gas a little bit.
Yeah, we love the new stuff. It's beautiful.
Famma dormire.
Okay, thank you, Debbie. Well, he clean each time he use and it's a splash, he's cleaning up. Normally, this is supposed to be in the refrigerator for half hour. So make like 4 only, and other one you put in the refrigerator. A lentil soup, good, perfect. Thank you, Sue, for the stars.
Okay, let me wash my hands.
You have to put like in the refrigerator for half hour so it stays nice and firm. So we just do 3 of them and then we finish up. Billy said maybe you should put little butter too to cook. Yeah, maybe. You want to put in the refrigerator, the mix? Yeah, you can bake also, yes. No, we will be cooking later on all of them. They need to go in the refrigerator.
You see, I was one to show, but this you gotta be cool off a little bit, like you stick it together.
Yeah, you sounds good. Tastes good too. Thank you for the stars. Good. Smells so good. Yeah, it's from can, yes. It's hot, huh?
Okay, I put on low, and let's bring a little glass of wine. Salute Cinci, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for the stuff. Salute.
We will be having with green salad just. Yeah, it's all delicious, yes. Thank you, Tina, for the stars. Thank you, Elaine. Yeah, Billy says salute chin chin.
Yes, it's the best. Salute Cincine. Happy New Year, everybody. Salute.
Billy says look perfect. Yeah, very good. It smells so good too.
La voglio bene, te voglio bene assai. Okay, we load the gas.
Teresa, thank you very much for the stars.
Okay, let's turn the gas off.
Have some lemon over there. You can do lemon. Thank you for the calendar. It's beautiful this year, yes.
Okay, let me cut a little lemon oil.
They look so good.
Squeeze a little lemon. All right.
Did you find some good one? Which one you buying, Tina?
All right. Let's taste this. It's really, really good.
Good, thank you.
Salute Chin Chin, Happy New Year, Happy Holiday everybody, and salute. Happy New Year, next time. Salute Chin Chin, this Chef Pasquale. A salute, and thank you so much for the support, and thank you for the stuff. Chin Chin, salute.
Blue Prosecco, it's good. We have to try it.
Thank you so much, thank you.